we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Never unplug a refrigerator then plug it right back in. It can cause the compressor to go off on overload and blow the relay overload and capacitor. You cannot make ice in the refrigerator, does not get cold enough, so they run a separate evaporator in the refrigerator just to make the ice there.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.